Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
I'm a big advocate for getting both a designer and a builder engaged as early as possible. And the reason for this is that a designer is going to bring a holistic view of how the structure and the inside will work together, whereas a builder is going to be able to say, yes, we can do that, no, we can't do that, that's going to blow the budget, this will be expensive, this will be relatively cost effective to do. And so when you've got the two professionals and the clients working together, they can nut out a whole stack of ideas, tap things on the head, proceed with X, Y, Z, and they can nut all that out in a 2-hour meeting.
Right. Rather than the
Generally
individual
speaking,
trying to go out and get a quote from a plumbing centre and then go to a carpentry place and trying to figure out what's going to fit in timeline, and it just becomes a bit of a mess.
Anyone that's sort of trying to do it themselves, whilst there's merit in doing that, and if you do know a little bit about the industry, you know, there's a sense of pride when you've completed your own project. So I'll never tap that on the head.
But you could still do the work yourself, even with someone designing it or giving you the plan, couldn't you?
That's it. I just think it's really worth getting some sort of professional advice before you even start making any official moves. Because, you know, the professionals obviously do this all the time, and they're going to be able to point out things that you've probably not even thought of, whether that be a construction limitation or whether that be just a simple design idea that you thought, oh, that's genius.
I've been looking for it in the